Oh my God. Oh Jesus. You're ready, boy. You're ready, boy.
Hey, Lebanon, yeah.
Oh. Charlie.
As it stand right now, we will fear. We will celebrate Ghana independence. Be most our rapaholic. Obi ejine ni no. Ghana for military. Umakwa kwa Lebanon ya bombi umo. Sa wuhu ya evidence no eneba at the beginning no. So I don't know what is going on, but entokwana ekono. Kamia yese enkrofo bi fa ho awia pa no. Say ebi mo say Israel for na ko bombe Ghana for. Ebi mo so say Iran for and
Ati for mamu nyina makwa about the Ghana and same TV so. But home dey like video, be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notification no. So na be next time. Videos of this nature about so sabit makabina. You starting from there. They be make us say mo na mo fa adwuma. Mo asomfo. Inti se bia o hwa na bia adwuma ye ofe. Na person contribute to the studio work, microphone, sound, data bibia. Me patch reach out through the number na wase hono. Yensa beka. Ninsa cancel be da wase, yeni be so pa. Na arahosema esi na otwi mu no. Ibi nsi Ghana because muda. Ibi esi kwan podi akra enye na asema che. Whether we like it or yes, Yera Ukuyota Blakwa is going down as one of the worst, and I repeat, one of the worst ever foreign ministers yenya. Minister for Foreign Affairs yenya Ghana yenya. Yera Ukuyota Blakwa is going down one of the worst. Yenya bida. NPP abreso. Yenya Russia and Ukraine war. Sabi, business-wise, and for some several reasons, we have interactions with Russia, we have interaction with Ukraine. But because we were so diplomatic, we are so careful with your trade, any BBN, you know, none of these countries came out to call for the help of Ghana. And I said, Omubi no buy or de Sebi, ne ho sign Ghana. EBN see that. It's the DNBC, US, Israel, and Iran and Yantokwa, and who since only be ever side Ghana for. It simply means that our Minister for Foreign Affairs is doing something really wrong, and we must say truth to power. That's a kind of critique to me. Sisi amene ukasei, soko Lebanon, ye maamenom ye panoma sebi omiye military for ka mo de dom ko for peacekeeping. Ewo Lebanon. In so many years, about 30 years or 40 years, it be crazy that. You see, I'm not say it to bomba to her. It is even heard and alleged said ni penny be hero monkwa. It be so prepare. And the only thing our Minister for Foreign Affairs been so a trail letter that come by UN. UN on your letter day. UN on your letter day. Sabi UN can America for monka. And so to kone isi America. Israel and Iran for them. And then the UN fire found. On say yani kasa drink kun nyansa nkono. Sabi, I'm not disrespecting anybody. Yana sasa ne kani mudu. And because we have bigger countries than Ghana or Makomonotum. And they are trading very carefully. But we have a Minister for Foreign Affairs. He's so much interested in optics. The only say in Kofabeka say, hey, what the whole year Mirror of Justice. They be no seen it no kwabo. Ukana se machine the pansa Ghana for because hey and now by TV so and now you see he has the oil be onim the oil the oil be onim the oil when they na Ghana for be anti a military camp of all camps all Lebanon a military camp and a bomb ekoe me no ka say ya see on baby da dworo be ni pani be pra is a lesson ni pani be pra asemu ye coaches asemu a chenwan asemu ye kochechi machawan isi nhwehwe ni mu kekenti o ma shada release letter say UN for nhwehwem na UN for nhwehwem omo ye okotwe o ma so wo henfa ade yi edi hu beto Ghana for so sabi ye nye bomb wa ha o ye nye nuclear or atomic bomb e wo Ghana ye no ma bia ni ntokwa bia ne so say ye wo kujo tabla kwa bibia no bekanti isi the issue you are causing for Ghanaians. Me asimo na mente asimo ni me kana mente na me media so na Ghana for ni bi chiro madwen asimo na asimo ya homete yura yen fa ye nkwaje Israel no US front to kwani mukura mpo na bomb e ko military system so me ba cho kan wanu tum ba bia obi a yen passem se yen edi on esi kutwa be ma wanzam na yen ntwa ye pieto enka ho kan wanu tum enkofa simi a mechechire Ghana for kum ko eti okara ye hu ne ho ano. We are in a country sabi so we a secondary school or a sickle cell patient corners who was count there is alleged kufuku cheska at the military service. It's a one secret system now. We are in a country baby a protocol. That is what people are saying. It's a commitment to protect the ordinary Ghanaian. We pacha wahenfa. Anyhow. Na ye sadi ya no akoto nkofo nto kwanse mu na dia hawa beto yen so eti ba sa na security system na nye safe ye wo man mu ha na minister for friend say was it Yero Mane Boama and the likes omkonya accident ewu ya for whatever reasons ye replace wo mo. It's even enough evidence say ye Ghana ha was say security system no we are in a very big serious trouble. Yero Mane Boama free mo me pa cho yapen replacement. It means a security system there is a very big loophole in our security system. Na Ghana fo busa say dey na asintia sabi etwem obosome bebre nie Yero Mane Boama free me nti empe obi mani nsi na nan ne ne task yede ne adwuma so ye asako so obi so kofofo kon Yero nsem wa twetwe so papa Yero nsem wa twetwe nkofo aso Ghana fo se me musade na esi
Lebanon was a UN for no
eti or mind be our into security expertization be abeka to say Ghana is not safe.
2 missile attacks
So
and I buy so
more for money and to sadi we no more the sovereign state meka no man what free
which is
Ghana faced Russia and Ukraine war yet here threat issues be now more the war shall say 2 weeks penny na Ghana for ye bomb Ghana for hey
what does it nti asem no na ye nim say economic impact but say miss anankasa no ye be face bi nti Iran ne yi ntoko asefa ho asem fa ho no kofi ye e ba Ghana bo afu
yes
ya issue statement okuje to the ablakwa wasade bi babo
o dem UN for say matter
o say ya launch protest omo hwehwe make sure so me punish obi do okuje to ho na hu say ya punish obi wo we bi mu no but mahu okuje to point of what say emrakwase ye asumdwe ye law abiding country we are sovereign nti insese obi bo ye hu ni patuo wa bra ye betena sidin what I say na kofi ebinum kra say ye kra ya twa fight na che nti we di abade a set what I say because ye adwe say ye what tactics bi wa ke de be face what I say
that is ben
ya twa ya che
senga ba ya
kofi because soldier for no man bu ye kro bo no na afro manya first match
eno gaba kwesa
kofi enviro ho some
na Israel from refi say omo na ekoji bo say
ye de ba sisi aso da no kofi sese no de ade na no say we de agro ni ntokwa ni opede he
we de be nyanu ho
muyi
de be anyi bi
de bi se ka nice opportunity abeti do that's asebra ye ntokwa
there be
nice opportunity abese do hujima because ye de abo nipa ntuzu betuma smart abofre be 6 from her
na beto na say to do no
kofi tu gira ha to stay abofre enduro
there
engo enduro
na o ti abofre na if you okra be ye be do
enwo de de besma ye na no
o de yente soje ni na
kofi aha no obi a ye kwo ye dim say match ba ye betuma face do soja ni say ye soja da ye ba ni 3 o si Jesus hey soja Jesus na kwa ka o
na ngonga te ya so na okay
awrade boy o
awrade bro you
ameka se mo ko training
dey training
kofi de mami ntie bia wankasa soja say
yente o de yente
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Erade boy you. Oh. Charlie.
Kofi
Oh my God.
Ghana ye cost 70 matches here in why assembly are hosebo but mesa fire suntem keke no de anya no
there be o matter Jesus afire jem na wo jana na
there be say anya we Or say, oh Jesus, Radeboyo. Now, and you Jesus and Radeboyo no go. Maka osadi shame you. Uze, you adibu ya na ta voice na chi. E chese ehu aye ne ho say oh Jesus, Radeboyo.
Masa serious.
Go fit go. Ntoka ne yenka ho. Omo pen gidigidi no be gidigidi. Omo pen boko no be boko. Ntoka ne yenka ho. Mama fa me foforo ye wa hodere because yenko match da. Ndi ya ho din nyina ho. What ma say? Say ya training soldiers enough.
Jai.
Infantry battalions 3 BN Bema camp.
Ode momna face rate ode fa yi ne to so no me.
Kofi?
Yeah.
Asem na ya mu ya rehosem. What I say? Ti na me ma Iran for no ne Israel for no one say. So amanya ntokwa no mu no de be foro ya. E be foro mo. Kofi ta go. E be foro mo de omo ye no. Se se
Menko pass.
Omo pray nipa ne ye hwe mo mbra no.
Na e betimi mo de asem na akin. Na bomb ya yi so.
Ntokwa ye nka ho mo de 2 missile attack. Na ye yi ye nuoma weapons and what now ha. Mo face bi da. Mu ni nuoma e betuma yi.
Taya de breed e be yi so.
Da bu ni kantanka nuoma odi jaye.
Why?
Kantanka akofna. Uni nuoma oye AI robot krama e. Uni nuoma ye ribe face.
Wasi ko pot akotwa ko pot de asama.
Ye da mase. Uni flight awo ye. Owo ammo cast. Ni nyina mu hu bi da. Mo sister no crant me detect. Amani am so. Yeah, okay. I don't know the fan ko fight. Nti ko fita go. Yes ro mo. But it's not grow.
Pow. Mom na Facebook na me
Yes not grow.
Fire no.
Because ya soja for na sa asem mo be ka Jesus erade boye. Hey.
Ento me anyam tumfo.
O say,
soja ni back ni.
erade boye obe ndey.
Serious.
Na me ka say Israel for na to buy na hwam na to buy no.
O ma say Iran Israel for the and be to here na according to report. O ma say
The you. And na wo free Jesus mum. Akwa ye run transaction. O si beti asem bla. Ka ho. That's how you start sports. Yes, we Israel for na to ade na ba ho. So Jaman so free Jesus. That Jesus no Israel mo na to buy who free Jesus. So Jaman.
So you free Jesus. I don't want to.
Who did as we are going to so Jaman.
So that na Israel ho na Jesus na wo. Ko aso na dey free by you.
Who so free Jesus?
Jesus you who you.
Israel or the iron dome of protection.
Now who free Jesus?
Or the third. Okuta secret air defense system be 50. Sea defense be who use Jesus. Israel the Jesus at all defense.
Senka no dey adunche bi Yesu moja ni bi ko.
Monsolonko. Yeah, they are good even say net was. Hey, Monsolonko. Sorry. Mate ni bra ba odi asem na waki.
Ye be mo manya ni gidigidi.
What they mo be
you test the military strength.
On a very
different contest.
Na you kuta clean sheet. You lose match.
You to kwada. Esa gari ya kwa war.
Contest on that na okay.
Na your first fighter see Jesus already boy. Kobi. Soldier no.
Jesus.
Omo na boy ho ban. What I say. Nti bibi say to omo aye ya ina asema say ye ka de be ka no. Emu o ya pa imagine say o ye wabusu ani ana bibi. Meaning what ma say aha. Nti ye say nyame say.
Bidi Yesu mo ja be bo ho ban.
Bibi ya asoma na kwantu bi an Kofi. Omo no ho ban. Dabi.
Yesu moja bo so.
Because o ka say o sire nyame Israel crowd o.
Yeah.
O ko fire nyame.
Yanko.
Omo hwe omo ho su ye no ye betima ka because o ko fire nyame Israel ni Iran o fire nyame a. O fire nyame say Israel ni Iran.
Be ya konchiri po.
Yentimi sire nyame.